What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to create ads on Pinterest. First of all, you need to have a Pinterest business account. You cannot do it on your personal account. However, if you do have a business account, all you have to do is log into your business account and then click on your profile picture at the top right corner to access your boards and your pins. And then you can choose the pin that you want and click on promote on the top right corner of the pin. That pin will be promoted and you can create an ad with this pin so you can promote it. It'll also give you a URL that you can use to promote your pin on your like social media or other websites, and then you can set your daily budget and duration, and then if you want to control your audience, and you click promote, and then your pin will be promoted and the ad will be created on Pinterest.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.